Okay, so how to trade gold on MT4 if you are a complete beginner. I have shared so many robots and strategies in my videos, but I know that still many are frustrated from where to start because it's so many brokers, so many platforms, and even you find a place where you can trade, you don't know when it is a good time to buy or when it is a good time to sell. So I decided to record this video and make it easier for everyone who is just starting out, because I will share with you from where you can select a regulated and trusty broker, how you can place a trading robot on MetaTrader 4, and how you can trade manually if you decide. Plus, I will share with you a very well back-tested strategy that shows great results. It's super active on the lower time frame M1, which means that whenever you sit on the computer, you can trade with it. And the very best thing, as you know, is that I share a free robot in my videos, so you can find one in the description of this video, but only if you stay with me until the end, if you smash the like button and subscribe if you have missed to do that. Super useful for the YouTube algorithm. It will push my videos to a broader audience, and if they do the same, it will be just fantastic. So thank you guys for doing that, and as well huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, AAAFx. It is a regulated broker in Europe and South Africa, and it offers forex, indexes, commodities, stocks and cryptocurrencies. The best thing for me as an algo trader is that we can trade all of these with a robot, just like the one I will share with you in this video. You have two options. One is to open a demo account and risk no money but practice virtually, or you can open a live account. And in this video I will show you what you need to do if you want to fund a live account. I already have selected my country of residence, and I will upload my ID card, the front of the document and the back of the document. And once that's ready, I will hit on next. And here comes the funny part, where you have to slowly turn your head around in circles using the camera on your computer, or you can do that on your phone as well. Okay, that's a joke. Your face should be visible. Once you're ready with that, you have to upload any proof of residence. Usually I use bank statements and utility bills, but those should not be older than 3 months. And once I download the invoice for my internet, I will upload it and I will hit on next. Then you will have to go through a few questions that are known as KYC, or know your client, with the forex brokers, and it's a must for you to fulfill these because you want to make sure that your account is completely verified. Once I'm ready with this, I will click on next and I will select my country, and I will need to enter my TIN number, or if you're not familiar with that, this is the taxpayer identification number. If you have done it all properly, it will take some time for the broker to review your documents, and if something more is needed, the customer support will contact you. However, I would strongly suggest you to trade first on a demo account so you can practice without any risk of losing real money. With that being said, thank you guys for sponsoring, and let's go back to the video. Now, if you guys are ready to learn how to trade gold with MT4, let's do it. Hello everyone, it's Petko Alexandrov. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will try to improve it with this video, where I will show you how to trade gold on MetaTrader 4. I will share with you a simple strategy that you can apply manually, and you will be able to download a free robot from this video if you stay with me until the end of the video, and I really hope that it will be useful to you. So going straight to the point, once you select a broker, and if you don't know from where to select a broker, check out the brokers page at eatradingacademy.com. This is where we have listed a few brokers that I personally tested. They all have MetaTrader, and they all allow algorithmic trading. So on the top we have 3 brokers, then we have stock trading broker,
crypto exchanges and more regulated brokers. Now, all of these brokers are regulated, and regulations are super important because nowadays there is so much scam, and I keep repeating that, and I will keep repeating that, and I will repeat it probably 1,000 times in the next years. But it's very important because I have met many people that were scammed. Many people keep writing me daily they were scammed, but I cannot really do anything to recover your money, guys. The only thing I can do is to show you a few brokers that are regulated, that will not scam you, I hope at least, and you will be able to withdraw your money at any given moment. Now, once you select your broker, you should install MetaTrader. That looks something like that. And to be precise, it is exactly that. That's the MetaTrader 4. There is the MetaTrader 5 as well, but I will share both versions of the robot so you can test it on MetaTrader 4 and on MetaTrader 5. Once you have the robot, what you need to do is go to File and hit on Open Data Folder. Then we'll open the Terminal folder, and here you need to hit on MQL4 and hit on Experts. Make sure you paste here the expert, and I will share with you the MQL4 source file, but once you compile it, you will get the EX file, which is the ready to use version. How you can compile, you have two options. One, you can double click on the robot and the meta editor will open. You don't really need to mess up with the code of the expert, you just need to hit on compile and it will be ready to use. The other thing you can do is to hit on expert advisors with your right mouse and select refresh. This will also compile the expert advisor and you will see it available right over here. If you are using MetaTrader 5 though, you cannot refresh and compile. You need to do it from the meta editor, but it's just one click, so it's super easy to do. Once you have it, find gold with your broker. You should press X on your keyboard and you will find it right over here, XAU USD. Right click and select chart window. So make sure you're on the right time frame. In MetaTrader you can change the time frame from over here. I will switch to M1. It is a robot designed for M1. Make sure the auto trading is on, and once you drag and drop it, you will see the input stop, from where you can change the amount to anything you want. Depends on your money management, how much you want to risk. Let's say you want to trade with one lot. I will hit on OK and I will see the smiley face, which means that the robot is attached on the chart and it will start trading. Now, the money management is super important. In this account, I have been experimenting with a Bitcoin robot on M1 time frame that I have shared in one of my videos, and it took just one trade for the last 2 weeks or so, but this one trade nearly doubled my account. And that's huge, right? I started with $5,000 and I have profit of $4,000, and now I have one trade opened that is on a small profit. Now that's quite risky though, and I don't suggest you to risk so much from your account, but the money management is your own choice. It depends how risky person of trader you are and how much you're willing to risk from your account. So this is how you can trade gold with expert advisors on MetaTrader. If you want to trade any strategy manually, super easy, right click and go to one click trading. Whenever you decide it's a good time to buy, you can buy from right over here. Whenever you decide it's time to short the market and sell it, you can do it from right over here. Always look for brokers that have low spreads, and over here we have just 35 pips, which is relatively small spread, and that makes it suitable for algorithmic trading. Now, the strategy that I will show you, you can trade with the robot or you can trade it manually. So what we have is we have the stochastic signal crosses the level line downward. We have K period of 5, D period of 10, and slowing 3 level 50. So whenever the stochastic crosses the level downward, it is the event that shows us it is time to buy. And if I click on the indicator chart, you will see that the stochastic is displayed below the chart, and whenever it crosses the 50 level, right in the middle, it is time to buy. So right over here, we are buying on the next bar. The cross happened during this bar, and on the opening of the next one, the cross is confirmed and we open the trade. After that, it crossed upwards and it's time to sell it. Here comes a buy signal, sell signal, another sell signal. Here comes the buy signal, sell, buy, and so on. You can see all of the trades over the chart. What more we have a stop loss of 1200 pips, or this is $12 from the value of the gold. However, this strategy is super active on M1 time frame, and the stop loss is reached nearly never, but it is there to protect the capital in case something drastic happens on the market and the exit condition is slow to react. So what is the exit condition? We have the IDX crosses the level line upward, period 20, level 45, and the IDX is as well below the chart, and it applies, for example, right over here we had that long trade, okay, because of the CCI crossing the 50 level downwards, and right in here we have the IDX closing the trade. One more time, if I go to the editor, you will see that the rule is IDX crosses the level line upward and the level is 45. Okay, the IDX, if you're not familiar with that indicator, so here was the example, it's a losing trade. Okay, I always show losing trades so you can clearly know that actually there are losing trades like with every strategy. And actually if someone is promising you just profitable trades, that's a scammer. Now the IDX crosses the level line upwards, so right over here we have it crossing the level line upwards. It's nearly invisible, but it closed, and we should close that long trade because obviously it was the wrong direction. Right after that we had a quick short trade, long trade, short trade, long trade, and so on. What more we have the reverse. So if we are in a long trade and we see the opposite happening, we should close the long trade and open a short trade. And most of my strategies use reversal if you have been following the channel. If you haven't, make sure you guys subscribe. Now let me show you a little bit more from the statistics. This strategy, as I said, is super active. Not only from the indicator chart, you can see how many long trade, short trade, long trade, short trade. These green lines show the long trade and the red ones are the short trades. But if you look at the editor, you will see that for just about 6 months backtesting, we had nearly 27,000 trades executed. 27,000 trades. And 27, guys, is a lot. 27,000 trades in roughly 6 month times means we have 4,500 trades per month. And if we ignore the weekends and just the trading sessions from Monday to Friday, you will see that we have over 225 trades per day. So even if you use this strategy manually, whenever you sit in front of the computer and you open the chart, there will be trades that you can execute. But I prefer to trade such strategies with the robot, and this is why I will share the robot with you guys. You can find it down in the description. Alright, I hope it was not that hard to learn that strategy. I hope that by the end of this video you already will have a trading broker with a MetaTrader installed and a strategy to test. Always go for a demo account. No matter how greedy you are for profits, make sure you test the strategy on a virtual account, because you really want to avoid the feeling where you see some nice profits from the first trades and you jump on live trading. Saying that just made me really hungry, by the way. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure you check all the links down in the description. Grab some free crypto and stocks if you are in Europe. As well, make sure to check out the trusty brokers and always compare at least 2-3 brokers to find the best conditions according to the country where you are trading from. I wish you a wonderful day. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. I'll be there to answer, and I wish you safe trading. Cheers!